Today is the day. You will learn idioms. Hello there, my name is Herman. And why would I make yet another video about idioms? Because there are so many idioms out there. And idioms are phrases that everyone uses and that sometimes are difficult to understand. And like I said at the beginning of this video, today I will teach you idioms, 10 to be exact, so that your vocabulary increases, so that you understand movies better, so that you understand people better, so that when you speak to that friend of yours who is native, you understand him better, so that when you take an exam, a proficiency exam, you express your thoughts better. Now, it's important that you remember that there are idioms for many aspects of our lives. For example, work, health, colors, and so many others. Today, I will be giving you idioms to describe health and physical condition, and what better way to learn than to use a real life story. In this case, my story. I will be describing how I felt a few weeks ago when I got really sick. So let's jump into it. So first, I have to tell you that I am a bit out of shape. What shape, you may be asking yourself? What I mean is that I am not in very good physical form or physical condition because I have not exercised in a while. So maybe that's why I felt so bad. I started to feel under the weather on a Friday. But what do I mean under the weather? Did I check the weather app and then I was under it? Or was I under something? No. That's not it. To feel under the weather is a way for people to say that they aren't feeling good. In other words, I was feeling under the weather. I started to feel bad. Good thing it was on a Friday though, because I said, okay, I have Saturday and Sunday to recover. Or at least I thought so. I knew I was gonna come down with something, but never did I think it was gonna be so bad. Come down? What do you mean calm down? Did I go down to the basement or something? No. Calm down with something means to feel ill with the flu or with a cold. The first symptom I had was the tiredness, and almost immediately I had a frog on my throat. Ugh, disgusting, but it's not what you're thinking. To have a frog on one's throat means to have a sore throat. I don't mean that I ate a frog. What I mean is that I was unable to speak because I had a sore throat. I said to myself, this is it. Nothing else can happen to me now. But then I took a turn for the worse. But I was not driving a car or my bike. To take a turn for the worse means that your sickness or illness becomes even worse than it already was. After having a frog in my throat, then I started with the fever. Remember that I said I started to feel under the weather on Friday? Well, my turn for the worse was on Saturday afternoon. And then I thought I was gonna get better on Sunday. Guys, I'm gonna make a stop here, and if you are liking this video and you are finding this content useful, please hit the like button down there and share this material with someone that can use it. Now, continuing with my sad story of how I felt really bad, my fever started to go up, and on Sunday I felt so terribly bad that I fell asleep and I almost blacked out. But to black out does not mean to take a black coloring pen and put it outside. No. What it means is that I almost lost consciousness. But impressively enough, after sleeping 6 hours on Sunday afternoon, that means almost all Sunday, I started to take a turn for the better. Now, I already told you what a turn for the worse was, Can you tell me down there in the comments what you think a term for the better is? Unfortunately, on Monday I started to take a term for the worse again, and then a term for the better, and then a term for the worse. It was a mess. It wasn't until Wednesday that I came back to the land of the living. Does that mean that I was dead? Almost. Does that mean that I was a zombie? No. To come back to the land of the living is actually a fun way to say that I'm still alive. I have to say that what nursed me back to health, or what helped me, was the fact that I started taking medicine regularly, every 8 hours, and lots of lemon juice. I am happy to say and to report that I am as fit as a fiddle. And to be fit as a fiddle means that I am in excellent and in good physical condition. This is the end of my story. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that by listening to these idioms in context, you can integrate them into your speaking, especially if you are thinking about taking an exam to certify your English level. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And do you know how to use idioms for work? The answer is in this video, right here. Thank you so much.